If Pixlr is showing you an unknown error, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through a few quick fixes that usually solve the problem fast. These steps are simple, safe, and perfect, whether the issue is caused by a temporary browser glitch, cached site data, graphics settings, network routing, or even a huge image file that is simply too heavy for your browser to handle. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this. Alright, let's fix it. First, try a force reload. On Windows, hold Ctrl and press F5. This refreshes the page more aggressively than a normal reload and can clear temporary server glitches or stuck page data that may be causing Pixlr to fail. If the page still shows the error after that, move on to the next step. Next, clear Pixlr site data from your browser. Click the menu icon next to the address bar, then go to Cookies and Site Settings and choose Manage or Clear Data. This removes stored cache, cookies, and corrupted site information that can sometimes break Pixlr or keep an old error message stuck on screen. After clearing the data, close the tab and reopen Pixlr so it can load fresh. If the problem continues, the next thing to check is hardware acceleration. Open your browser settings, search for graphics acceleration, and switch it on. Then relaunch the browser completely. Hardware acceleration helps the browser use your computer's graphics hardware more efficiently, and that can make a big difference for image editing tools like Pixlr. If the browser was struggling with rendering or memory handling, turning this on may fix the unknown error right away. Now let's try a network reset that can help if the issue is related to routing or a stale DNS path. Open the Windows command prompt, type ipconfig flush dns and press enter. That command clears the DNS resolver cache so your computer can request fresh network information instead of relying on outdated routing data. Once that's done, reopen Pixlr and test it again. If you're still getting the unknown error, there's one more very important fix to consider, especially if you're working with large files. Reduce the image canvas payload before uploading. In other words, if your image is massive, downscale the dimensions before bringing it into Pixlr. Very large raw images can overwhelm browser memory and trigger crashes or unknown errors, especially on lower spec devices or when multiple tabs are open. Try resizing the image to a more manageable resolution first, then upload the smaller version and see if Pixlr loads normally. In many cases, one of these steps will solve the problem completely, and the app will start working again without any extra troubleshooting. So to quickly recap, force reload with Ctrl plus F5, clear Pixlr site data, turn on hardware acceleration, flush DNS in command prompt, and downscale oversized images before uploading. If this tutorial saved you time, please give it a like, subscribe for more fixes, and leave a comment if you want help with another Pixlr issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.